Alright, so we'll go ahead now and add the filler. Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Guess what? Today we're going to be making a Jamaican beef patty. We're going to be using the nicest beef in our world, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, flaky. We'll modify the recipe so you can get to learn it the right and proper way. If you end up liking the video, remember to subscribe to the channel, share the video. Now let's go over the ingredients. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make the beef patty. To make the dough, we're going to be using some all-purpose flour. We're going to be using some ice water. We're going to be using some curry powder, salt, sugar, and we're going to grate some butter into it, and then we're going to combine everything. And to make the filling, we're using some ground beef. We have thyme, scallion, we have garlic, we have hot pepper, and some ginger. And for the seasoning, we have black pepper, we have some all-purpose seasoning, salt, and of course we have the scallion and garlic and ginger dehydrated, and we're cooking it down with some beef stock. Alright, so let's make our dough. So we have the all-purpose flour. We're going to add the seasonings. You just want to stir up everything, make sure you incorporate it nicely. Alright, we're going to grate the butter into the dough. So this going to make it flaky. So we go grate the butter. And we're using unsalted butter. So you just want to incorporate the butter and the flour, everything together. So we'll farm and well, add with ice water, and then combine everything. Alright, so we're going to farm the dough right now. You don't want to over mix it because we still want to keep the butter in it, because the butter, that's what's going to make it flaky. So we want to keep some of the butter in it. We don't want to mix out everything. We don't want to over mix it. Alright, so the dough is complete. Alright, so the dough complete. We'll leave this in the fridge for cool for half an hour. Let's work on the filling. So we're adding a tablespoon of oil just to grease the bottom. Then we're going to add our veg and saute for about 2 minutes. We're not going to saute this too long because we don't want to burn the veg. You can smell the ginger, you can smell the garlic and the hot pepper, you can smell the aroma from it, smell it through the phone. You see that smell nice? That's how the beef patty go taste. Now we're going to be adding in our beef. So we'll just mash up this and combine it before we add the chicken stock. I know it might look intimidating, but don't worry. We're there to guide you, so it's not that difficult. At this stage, while it has sizzled, we're going to be adding in our seasonings. Oh my god, you can see that. You can see how it looks, you know how it tastes. Alright. Now for the big moment, we're going to be adding in the beef stock. Let's add everything. We're generous. Alright. So we'll make this cook down for about 15 minutes. Make the flavor develop some more. Well, you can already see how we go nice. You can see the flavor in it. You can see the onion and the garlic and everything. We'll cook this down for 15 minutes. And we'll work on the dough right now because it's supposed to cool by now. So let's work on the dough. Let's work out the dough. First thing you want to do, you want to flour your board. Then we're going to roll out our dough. This is the crucial part of it. This is what I do to get the extra flakes. I fold my dough. There's a lot of recipes on the internet, but I don't see them folding the dough. You can see the extra flakes that is there. You can actually peel them away. See? So now that we have the dough roll out, we'll cut out the patty. So we're using this bowl. This is the size we're going to be using. Okay, one patty right there, so. We have a next one right there. See if we can get 2 more. Alright, so we just gonna remove this. If you want to make more patty out of your dough, you can always knead this together again. But we're not gonna be doing this today. Alright, so we have 4 patty. So now we're going to be adding in the filling. Alright, so we'll go ahead now and add the filling. Too much because it's going to slip out of the corner. So you get a fork and you crimp the sides. Very important thing to do. Always remember to prick it so that when it starts to bake, the air can come out, because if you don't, it's going to swell up. Alright, we're going to be transferring the patties onto a grease tray. Alright, so now that we have the patties here, we're going to be adding in the egg wash. Alright foodies, so we take them out of the oven, them ready, them perfect, you can smell them. Who should could have smell the 3-4? Look at it, oh my god. Alright, we're opening one for you so you can see. It's very hot, so you have to be very careful. Look at it, oh, you can see the flakes. If you like the video, remember guys to subscribe to the channel. Also share this video so other people can get it. You can see the crust. These are the Jamaican beef patty, homemade style.